very well for Uganda and Kenya to agree on Migingo. Any agreement that cedes part of the territory of Kenya needs to be debated in Kenya. It needs to be passed by our parliament. So Kenya and Uganda does not belong to our two heads, to Dr. Ruto and Yoweri Museveni. It belongs to the people of Kenya and Uganda and to East Africa. They cannot make private deals that go against the territorial boundaries. While we commend the effort to resolve, can they retrace their steps and do it legally? We also want to remind them, we have not forgotten. We are still focused on the criminal acts by both states of cross-border abduction. We have not forgotten that Besigye was abducted from Kenya. Luckily, he has now filed a suit in Kenya against the Kenya government. And a suit will be filed also extending to Ugandan government for the criminality. We have not forgotten the cross-border abduction of Mwambili Mwagondi from Tanzania. It looks like the three original states of East Africa are collaborating on oppressing their citizens. We want to hear their voices telling us whether this is going to stop. And we also want to ask East Africans, let us stand together in solidarity to push back these illegalities.
Thank you. I think leaders should feel free to meet and consult any segment of the Kenyan community without being branded divisive. Absolutely no. We are not a divisive thing, and I think our sister was on one such trip in the States. If that's what you're referring to, I think Mother should handle that.
We have already said in our statement, a desperate regime resorts to propaganda and misinformation. There is no place on earth I know where you call a meeting and only certain people come. When it's a public meeting, everybody comes. I went to Angemi Festival, Kikuyu music, but music speaks to everyone. There were people from mixed backgrounds. Everybody was there. So we will not waste our time answering to propaganda. Show us the evidence, we shall react.
Thank you. So if the event was an Angemi event,